Hey everybody, this is Greg coming to you with another Fundrise video. This is the first update in a while, and I do apologize. I was looking back at my history on streaming and whatnot, and the last video I did was back in October. It was an update for quarter 3. I kind of missed quarter 4. I was going to try and get every quarter here, and I'm a little early on quarter 1 of 2023, but I just kind of wanted to get an update out there just so you guys know I'm still here. I'm still investing. I'm still doing things with Fundrise. I just have not had the time to sit down and make a video, and I finally do. And I thought, let's just do that and get some information out there for you guys. I can kind of go back into quarter 4 and show you the bloodbath that it was. If you look at the chart on my screen here, this big dip that happened, that was quarter 4. That was a huge correction with everything with the market. And I just took a little bit of a dip. I think it was like a $50 dip with the account. As you can see, I did end up going negative overall with appreciation in all time. So that did kind of put a damper on the account, but we'll go through that. Just wanted to make sure I was here. Still doing stuff and still wanting to make videos for you guys. So please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure I know you're out there. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I am going to put a link in the description as well. If you're new to Fundrise, if you're looking to invest with Fundrise, it gives you $50 off the bat with a new account. Also gives me a little bit of kickback too with some of that. So if you're interested in starting out, if you're new to this, you want to invest in real estate, it kind of gives you a little bit of a head start, gets that $50 start out, kind of like how I did back in the beginning of August of 2021 with $50 in my account. So without further ado, we're going to get in there and kind of see the meat and potatoes of what March of 2023 looks like. We're just in the beginning. It's recording on March 6th of 2023, so we're in before the end of quarter 1. And just kind of showing you what it looks like in my portfolio right now. From the last time. I actually did a live stream the last time, so I was trying it out, seeing what it was like, seeing if I could get any viewers watching at the time. So if you guys are interested in me doing some more live things, let me know down in the comments. Kind of do some Q&A and things like that, just with somebody that's been doing this for a bit. I like to interact with the people on the channel. So again, if you have any questions too, just make sure to put it down there. So, yeah, we're looking at 2023 year-to-date, so the beginning of the year to today. I've made $1.52 in dividends, and that's with about $22,500 in my account. The net return so far overall, since I've started back in August of 21, is negative $4.26. I keep wanting to see that hit positive again, and it will. Playing a long game here. It's going to be up and down. That's just the way the market is. It's just like the stock market. Real estate is no different there than anything. Appreciation year to date, down $1.78, which really means I've lost a penny per share. I have about 178 shares there, give or take, depending on the week. And that's really just what that is. I've lost a penny per share for the year so far. It's been fluctuating. It's gone up and down about a penny each time. I think I was positive 178 for a bit and then just flatline negative. But overall, you can see I'm down $23.15. And really, it's just from that quarter 4 readjustment. Advisory fees going through, I'm down 56 cents, which isn't really bad for the year. 56 cents for 3 months. So that kind of gives you an idea. It'll be about a little over $2, and all time I'm at $2.68. So yeah, for the year right now I'm down 82 cents with that 178 appreciation loss, and all time I'm down $4.26. So really not that bad. I mean, at one point I was up a lot, but again, just some readjustments, and I'm in here for the long haul. I'm not in it just to put money in and get out. I'm looking at 20 years down the line, when I'm ready to retire. I just hit 40. I just hit 40 years old this past month. So it's kind of it changes your thought process a little bit, but I'm in it for the long haul. I'll be doing this 60 plus, years old. Tax season's upon us, so just make sure you're aware of that. You can still see my account level. I'm still in the basic level. I've got another 27,000 or $2,700 to go until I hit that next core level, which again, nothing really changes between the two. I think it just opens up a little bit more accounts just for the money to go to different spots. You can see here that we have 75 active projects now in this flagship fund. That's what they're calling this now. Last time I checked, I think back in October, we were sitting around 63, 64 projects in here. So now we're up to 75 in the past 2 quarters. So the percentages have changed a little bit. The cool thing here is that you can actually click on the piece of the pie. So we go to this opportunistic, we can see, oh, we've got single family rental, and just where it is, and you can actually click on that and go and see what each of these properties is now with a pop-up, which I think is really cool, instead of having to go through everything and just seeing what's going on. And again, you can go back, you can see the fixed income part of this and just see, oh, okay, we've got some places in Miami, a lot of that's Miami and Texas, and just kind of see what's going on. So again, this hasn't changed a whole lot, just the numbers have fluctuated a little bit with the additional 10-ish projects that have been added. So the portfolio views kind of changed a little bit, excuse me, from what it used to look like. We can actually go here and see the net returns year to date for 2022, quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see quarter 1 and 2 were pretty good, and then quarter 3 kind of just nixed quarter 2. At least for the flagship real estate fund, which is where all of my money so far has gone. Again, once we hit the core, then we can start seeing money go into different funnels. And then quarter 4 just kind of wiped it out. So the end of 2022 saw a loss of 6.6%. If we go into that money-wise, we can see I lost $92 overall in 2022 in my account. So not cool. The big loss there with that quarter 4 update that I showed you, that big dip on my chart. If we look at annual here, the percentage, 2021 was when I started in August, so I gained 20% in just that half year, not even a half year. 2022 I lost, and right now I'm down 0.1% right now in 2023. We have not gone through a whole quarter, so we don't have that whole readjustment. So I'm interested to see if it's going to go up or down. Let me know in the comments what you think, if we're going to see another bad quarter here on Fundrise. But in all time, I'm just down 0.3%. So all in all, not too bad. We'll see how it goes. And again, that percentage is kind of based like, you saw that 20.3%. That's because I didn't have a whole lot of money in at that point. Again, I'm putting in $50 a week, $50 a pay period. So every other week I'm putting $50 in at least, just to add in. So that 6.6%, that was a whole year worth of investing, compared to just a half year. So that's why we're down a little bit more in all time. So you can kind of see that monetarily, where I was up 89, down 92, and then just down 82 cents so far for this year. You can kind of just go over the chart. You can see how much it's that green, it looks great until it dips down. And we've gone over this numerous times here so far throughout this video. But you can see through property type what each part is. Really great. You can see single family rentals versus multifamily rentals, and the industrial rentals out of that as well, and how many properties in there. You can actually view the properties just like you have down here. You can filter it out and everything like that. Yeah, so like I said, view properties, it'll just filter it out here. Same thing if I did industrial, it would just filter out. So you can see we have a few more industrial properties than we did the last time. And that's pretty much it. You can see net returns. Actually, this is a pretty nice chart. You can see that quarter 4 was really bad. So let me know what you think about some of these changes that they made on their website. I think they're pretty cool. I would have to go in and look at a few other things for you, but that's for another video. I'm hoping I'll try and get a quarter one update out here for you guys as well. Again, let me know if you want me to do another live post, just so I can kind of sit here and answer your questions. I can schedule that and make sure you guys are prepared ahead of time for that video. But all in all, that is the update so far for March of this year. Just year to date, showing what it is. You can still see I'm on an upward trajectory. Even with that big dip, I'm still there. And like I said, even if we have a quarter one dip, I'm still going to be investing. I'm still in it for the long haul. It's just going to take a little while longer, and that's all right. So let me know your thoughts about how Fundrise is going so far, if you're in it, if you're investing, if you're in the same boat as I am, looking for the long haul again. And let me know if you want to see anything specific on here. All right. We'll see you guys again for hopefully the quarter one update here at the end of the month. I'm sorry, not the end of this. Yeah, the end of this month. And we'll go from there. All right. So again, make sure you hit that like button if you like what you see. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and get updates. I really want to try and at least get one update per quarter, just so you can kind of see how it's going for this flagship fund that everybody that invests in Fundrise kind of gets to see. All right. So until next time, take care. All right. Bye.